What's up, guys? We're just gonna do some fishing today. This isn't Wakatomica, but it's just a creek by my house. Today we're just gonna catch some bait, hopefully some chubs or bluegill. I'm just using this little jig. It's got a weight in the head, and then these Glomos, like ghost sparkle things. So hopefully we'll catch something. I just shut my camera off, but while Josey and I were talking, just caught this little bluegill. Yes. But yeah, let me throw this guy back.
Do you think you're good at the offense?
Hopefully. Alright, I just gotta play.
I think my bait might be a little big for now.
What do you have on? Oh my god, Josey. Oh my gosh.
What the
You gotta We're gonna walk down the creek in a little bit once Josey's done attaching his stuff. Because I'm not catching anything besides that bluegill.
Wait, where did you say we're walking?
We're gonna walk down the creek, or up the creek, I guess. Figured. These fish are not having it anymore. Oh, there's one. It's a little bit too small.
Oh, there's a fish and of course you're not catching.
No, it's too small. It's like a centimeter long.
It's not a fish.
Oh! No, it was a chub. No, it was a chub. A very small chub. Oh, something's getting it. Something's getting it. Come on. Jesus, something like attacked it right as soon as it hit the water. Cast over there down.
I'm fishing with a fly.
Or hold on, something attacked it over there. Damn it!
You can't even cast 2 inches.
Shut the fuck.
And I got a fly on. It's Hank.
You're not gonna catch anything like that.
Isn't
That's October, Joseph. This
that
is
what year we're in?
this
Isn't
is
that what century we're in?
this is May. This is May, retard. Oh shit! God damn it! These little fuckers will hit it for like a second and then stop.
Not little fuckers, they're little fish.
Shut up. Shit, dude, they hit it like a little bit and then they just stop. It's like, you're not interested?
I didn't even bring split shots, so I'm screwed. Whatever.
What?
I said I'm screwed. I didn't even bring split shots. This bait weighs like. Well, I wish Tyler was here. He could tell me how much it weighs.
For context, our buddy Tyler, whenever he gets a bite, he says how much the fish weighed. And if he sees a fish, he's like, oh, that's a 4-pounder. Because he can weigh stuff with his eyes. It's probably not very funny to them, but to us it's hilarious. Are we just taking one bucket? I don't think we'll catch that many.
Alright.
We caught like 50 last time. 50 will fit in that bucket. Don't fall over.
Pre-game. No, that's not good. Pre-game.
It's a little bit cold. What?
Don't put the bubbler in the water, by the way.
The what?
The bubbler thing. Because
Oh.
it's not waterproof.
Oh my god.
Well, I didn't know.
Dude, no, not that. It's a little bit colder since the last time. Oh my god.
Yeah, you're right. It's freaking. Hey, show him that. Show him.
No. Also, for context for that, when we went fishing last time, Tyler took a shit right beside the creek.
That's freaking weird. He did it again when we went yesterday.
No, really?
Yeah.
Wait, where'd you guys go?
Like 2 seconds.
Where'd you guys go yesterday?
Big run.
Oh.
Oh, I guess we're going. Yes. It's just rough carrying a bucket. That's why I don't do it.
Dude, your drag is so low. tighten your drag. What the fuck, dude? There's like little... Oh, damn it. Why is that doing that?
Hey, you were talking crap about my pink bait, so I don't want to hear it.
No, I wasn't. I didn't say shit about your pink bait.
I heard you under your breath say I'm not going to touch anything. Hey. I can see it pretty well in the water, so it must be working. Must be a pretty good option.
How many fish have you got on it? Damn it!
Half one.
Half of one. You caught half a fish.
Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. There's a fucking bug eating me. Oh, man. I don't even like anything but that.
Yeah, let's walk up to like the... Before the... Oh, it's really deep.
I'm about to let more water out.
It's really deep, too.
This thing's heavy.
Oh, there we go. Oh, I just got something.
The trick is to not put any water in it at all, so it's not heavy at all.
There we go. Pardon my French, everyone, but it's fishing time. Alright.
Why do they say pardon my French?
I don't know. I was wondering that.
French was cussing.
I'm sure if someone watches this and they know, they'll comment.
I give a shit about it. No, nobody's gonna watch this.
Fuck you. Oh, I just got a bite.
What, you didn't line out?
You're right. Oh my god. Hold on. We could have caught something right here. This hole is pretty good. We caught some stuff here last time. Oh, something's sitting there.
Dude, I thought saw that sucker attack it. It was violent.
There's a violent fish here. Dude, what the fuck? Okay, it's fixed.
They're not biting my pink bait. They're not biting it.
Oh, yeah. Is that how it goes? Damn it.
Yes. I hate it when people use worms. Cheaters.
Worms?
Yeah.
Natural or...
Like, yeah, real ones.
Oh, hold on. Josey. This kid's fucking trying to die.
I don't wear no traffic. I have to go funny.
Is that how you drive? Hopefully we don't see any snakes this time. That would suck.
Hopefully, if you do see one,
Yeah, dude, it'd be pretty dope to catch a snake.
hang on, hold this.
Why?
Because I gotta fix my thing. The line's like not wrapping up on that.
Yeah, dude, mine was doing that too. There's a hole up here.
It's real cheap, dude. It was only $50.
Only 50 bucks. Pretty cheap. What the hell is that?
A frog.
Okay. Might have been a...
You didn't blame me for throwing a rock over there.
Did you throw a rock over there?
No.
Alright. There you go.
Pass it on.
Wait, hold on. Let's fish this hole right here.
There's probably one under this rock yonder. I just scare one out.
Nope, nothing.
A trick to not letting your rod freeze up, wet it down.
To lubricate your rod, put it in the water.
A trick to get a good rod for creeks, get a like 7-foot long. No,
Tyler Yigley with a 10-foot rod.
Is that how much?
Dude, yeah, it was 10 feet.
That's almost as long as my fly rod.
Dude.
My puppy rod's 11 foot.
Dude, what if you used this catfish rod like a fly rod? Just sit at the spillway, just...
How'd that go? Dude, this is worth with a bucket.
Are you sure it is?
God, are you sure I have to drag the dang bucket along? This bucket is 1,000 pounds heavy.
That bucket has 1,000 pounds in it?
No. The water inside of it.
Oh, okay. Dude, why? Why are these like little things coming up?
What'd you say?
These like little bubbles in my line. Or like, yeah, like, see it, like loops right there?
Yeah, take it out.
It's like down under.
You keep ripping it out until you get to it and then you're pinky. Put the line to your pinky and then you're done.
Well, there goes some fish.
Here, let me see it. You get it?
Hold on.
Here, let me see it. Keep ripping it out. There you go.
Okay, and then just reel it in with tension. If you have a problem with your fishing pole, call Josey. call marine biologist Tyler England.
Up there where that like tree is, or whatever, the log, up at the corner, where it goes left.
Yeah.
That's where we caught a lot.
Hope we just don't catch anything besides that bluegill. We scared them all off the other day. I'm gonna throw a line right here.
What the heck?
Something
just run in the water?
I don't think they ran.
No, like something ran off this log. It looked like a turtle or something.
Well,
like right off the roof.
I think I got a bite right off of it. But...
Dude, yesterday, I thought I saw a dead bird on the log, but it was like a snapping turtle, like it still like spread out. And what does Tyler do before he gets in my truck?
He tried. Yep, that's Tyler. Probably swam out like.
I could smell it from like so far away. I was like, what is that smell? I'm not found it. He doesn't.
Be right here. That's where we caught a lot of fish last time, so we'll see how it goes. It's right there. Oh yeah, good cast right there. These guys should take it. Oh, yep, there we go. There we go. There's a pretty nice sized chub. If you'd stop flopping around, I could show you guys.
Okay, make sure you put it in the bucket.
Yeah, there's a pretty nice sized chub. Chubs are nasty. They're like so slimy and shit. Is. There we go. Come on. There we go. Could be good bait. How's that fly working out for you, Josey?
I just keep missing because my drag's too low.
Let it sink a little bit. I told you to turn your drag up.
Marine biologist Marcus.
No, that's Tyler.
Do I have a knot in here? Oh, it's just like a weak spot.
Let it sink. There we go, I'm getting something. Oop. Oh, that was a good one. Oh shit. Damn it. Josey, you didn't flinch. You went like right by your face. Shit. There we go.
I get punched, Mark. It's not like those hooks can hurt you or anything. Take it high.
I've already hooked myself like 3 times.
I wonder if anybody's ever lost an eye to a hook.
Probably.
Well, I guarantee you.
Oh, fuck, I'm snagged.
Yep, go in there and scare all the fish away, please.
Probably am.
Yep, let me just cast the reel on real quick, Mark.
Oh, shit. Come on, Josey, come on. What the fuck? How in Jiminy Cricket's asshole did that happen? There we go. Fix my bait a little bit. There we go.
I shouldn't have 2 fish by now. But the drive was a little low earlier.
Oh, I just got a bite. Just got a bite. I just got 2 bites, or maybe 1 bite from the same fish.
Alright, try it right there.
Is it right there?
Well, if it was the same fish, it wouldn't turn into 1 bite.
No, you went. and then freaking dumb fish, not wanting to eat and shit. Dude, every time my bait bounces, like a little alarm goes off my head, like, oh, you're gonna bite. Josey, you fucking asshole. I'd have caught something.
If I didn't catch him, I can bring you want something, and then like a picture of a kid throwing rocks in the water. That's it. Hilarious.
I'm gonna cast over it.
I don't even know if
I caught a chub off of this the other day. Oh my god, Josey! Oh, thanks for screwing up the spot.
This bucket, I went and got snagged.
Oh, I'm sure.
Did you try to get my snag out?
No?
Oh, I think that's what you were doing.
Get your own snag out. Hey! Hold on, did we catch anything off this log last time? I'm gonna try it. These deer tracks. Fuck. There you go. Nope. Not catching anything off this log. Oh my god, dude! Cast right now! Dude, there's some big fish just swam through the water.
Dude, I just lost another fish.
From where?
Under that rock. I'm gonna try again, I guess.
Here, I'm gonna let this coast him today. Dude, there's like a big chub that like just swam like right beside me.
Does it have like stripes?
I didn't really get a good look at it. Might have been a bass.
I'm just like ripping their mouths out, but they don't grab it.
You're actually getting bites over there? Alright, I'm gonna head up a little bit. I didn't record it, but I just caught this little guy. So, Josey, where's the bucket? I'm gonna go on the other side because I got some bites the last time over here.
Okay, you're gonna have fun bringing that back to the bucket, right? Or are you gonna bring the bucket with you?
Oh, just got some. Freaking trees. Ooh, it's about to fall. Ooh, yeah, there we go. Ah, no! Lost it. Damn. Dude, that was a big chub.
Dude, I keep losing.
It freaking ripped my tail off.
You think I told you to bring that pack? I got nettles on my hand.
Oh, there we go. Oh, damn, son of a gun.
Son of a what?
Son of a gun.
Son of a chewing gum?
Son of a chewing gum. The son of a bitch ripped my tail off.
Son of a chewing gum chewed all the flavor out of my gum.
Son of a zebra gum. Yeah, the gum that lasts like 2 seconds.
This stuff is so good though.
Yeah, for that 2 seconds, it's like heaven.
It's worth it.
Yeah, just put a whole pack in. Whoa! That just about fell again.
Your mouth would be bursting with flavor. Dude, these bugs. They're getting me. They're messing with my head.
Come on, buddy, take it. I felt you biting it.
They want my pink shit, Mark.
Shut up.
They can probably see your shadow through the water and they're like, what?
It's a fat guy.
Fat guy and a little goat. Kind of guy that wears the same flannel and white shirt under.
Fuck off. Hey, I have different colors. Come on, I can see your asses. Just bite the son bitch.
So why do you wear the same color every day?
I don't wear the same color. How big is it?
Dude, these nettles. Just normal. Why is he curling his tail like a catfish? Or is it catfish are ugly. I don't really like catfish that much.
Tyler was like, dude, yeah, I caught like an 80-pound catfish. We're gonna catch them tonight. We didn't catch shit. That the other day when we went to Spillway?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we didn't bring any tackle.
Yeah.
And my dad's like, you need fishing stuff? And I just didn't answer him because I knew he was gonna say, go buy it then. And what did he say? Go buy it then. Go buy it yourself.
Alright.
Hey, I just caught a chub right there. See if you can catch another one.
Alright.
Like going under the log. Okay, I let the current take my bait under the log. Because I'm marine biologist.
Oh, yeah, one just took it.
You want me to get you a new bait?
That's my fucking phone. What are you doing? Quit trying to grab my dick.
What? I stopped that in kindergarten.
Fuck it, I'm walking through the
Bugs are killing me, man. They're trying to eat my brain. Oh, dude, this was so hard to get over last time.
What?
This was so hard to get over last time.
Yeah, now you got a bucket. See ya.
Oh, it's gonna be times a million hard.
Shut the fuck.
It's gonna be hardest.
Times 1 trillion. Oh, fuck. Okay. Stop, just stop touching my ass. That's gay.
This is my fishing pole. So it's not gay.
Alright, here. Get up as far as you can with the fuck.
Dude, yesterday, Tyler, it started like raining and there was like dark clouds.
Oh, there we go. Little one.
Get flop drop over here.
Little guy.
My cousin was calling my dad like a girl because he was wearing sandals. She's like, that's what girls wear. Guys are supposed to wear slides.
That's what I call
He's
him.
like, this is what I wore when I lived in Hawaii.
Your dad lived in Hawaii.
Yeah, when he was in the army. We always joke and say he probably has Hawaiian kids I don't know about. That'd be funny. That'd be awesome, dude. If I found out like I had a Hawaiian sibling.
Why? So you could move to Hawaii?
No. I'd freaking get a Hawaii good for like vacation. It's way better than going to Florida like we do every fucking week.
I went to Florida for like Disney World when I was like 10.
Yeah, my mom was trying to go to Disney World like this year. I was like,
Got one.
Dude, are you freaking kidding me, Mark?
No.
I just wait till I see my date.
The fuck just happened? I think my line just broke. Maybe. I don't know. Whatever the fuck. I got my bait. I got my fish. That's all that matters.
But now you gotta retie.
It'll buff.
Oh my, dude, my knot, dude, it didn't work.
Yeah. I swore by your fucking knot.
Well, it was probably like.
Yeah, I don't know. Oh, yeah.
Alright, carry the bucket back here.
Ah, you some bitch. See my gun? Huh? Back here. Fuck. Okay, I'm gonna pass right by this tree. Yeah. Oh my gosh, dude. It's good. It's working good.
Biting it and then letting go. So I just think we're gonna do it. Maybe it helped if you had a little tail on it. I'm not even going for whether the blind tightens up. I'm just like waiting until it disappears. It's so bright, I can see it. The water's really clear.
Yeah. Ah! Some bitch turned around at the last second. Oh no! Okay, there we go. I don't remember going around this. Oh yeah, I do, because I racked myself on that log.
I do because I stepped into the hole and cut myself.
Here, hold on. Let me try and get a fish right here. Let me just rack myself again.
Oh yeah, you were sitting like that?
Yeah. Get off that tree.
Oh yeah, and Tyler slipped right here.
Yeah.
He stepped on a mossy rock and said, "Oh, that's slippery."
Yeah. Fell down to the center of the earth.
This is how you fish.
Oh, dude, I bet back there. Dude, I'm gonna walk around.
And get back there.
I'm gonna walk around on this rock. I have to change my bait in a minute. Shit. Oh, just got a bite. Come on, take it. What if I cast back there again? I'll get something. How the hell's my hand black? Okay. Let's try this again. Nope, how's it bad cast? Where the hell's my line go? There it is. I was just realizing, oh my gosh, dude. This rod is making me mad. Oh, you caught one?
What?
I said, oh, you caught one?
Here, you want to see it? Catch it.
No.
Here, you gotta get it on the video. On video. It's right there.
Oh my gosh.
Oh man, I got one on.
There we go,
Oh,
Joe.
he's fighting so hard.
Woohoo, Josey. It's full of drag. There we go.
Oh, look at the gut on that sucker.
Shut.
She's pregnant. She's been eating crawdads twice her size. Oh, there's so much poop in here.
Oh, there we go. There's one. It pulled drag. Oh shit, that rocks.
Ain't no fish pulling your drag.
Oh yeah. Josey thinks my drag's too tight. Probably is.
Because you have like no drag because you have a
Cut
good bait.
this. Little guy. Stop moving. There we go. Get a shot of him. Oh my god. Jesus. Ripping these hooks through their damn head. Fucking shit on me.
You need pliers, I got some. Where's my Smiths?
In my pocket. Well, his shirt's no longer white. Fuck.
Oh, but you can see where over.
Shut up, Josey. Dude, crawdad's gonna eat my asshole, dude. I want to catch some more bluegill. Oh, there's a bite. Oh, there it is. Ah. Let's put it back in, see if he takes it. Oh, there, ah. Here, he's taking it. He's going to take it. Let him drag out. Line out, sorry. Come on. There he goes. He's nipping at it. Come on. There we go. There we go. Hey, that one's pretty nice. That was worth it to keep trying for him. Josey got a pretty nice size one. Got a pretty nice size one. Not bad. Not bad at all.
Tiny cats.
Get anything? Did it again?
Tiny cats. You're in there? Tiny cats.
I'm
not sponsored, by the way.
Oh, not sponsored. Sponsored. Just kidding. I wish, dude. We'd be making fucking monies.
Yeah, like this video because Mark has to buy his
Hey, it's my truck. She just drives it. She's pulling down. She's pulling down. Oh my god, look at it. It's a monster. Dude, this spot right here, this freaking...
Oh, you know that trick where you like take your reel off and you like throw the rod or whatever?
What? No?
You don't know about that?
No.
You're still young, but you still got learning to do it.
Is that what your dad told you?
No.
Oh my god, dude. Hold on.
I watched that.
There you go.
It's to like let it slide on the line and then hit it that way so the hook will go that way instead of straight.
These fish are dumb. They see their friends get like taken out of the water and they're like, oh no, I'm still gonna bite it. Oh no. No. Oh no, Billy. I'm hungry. Oh shit. Oh. There's a bite. I don't know where the hell it went.
The alarm started going off down
Yeah. It's like a tornado.
the purge.
The purge. The purge has commenced. Sorry if I just had my camera pointed way too high and you couldn't even see my pole. Oh, there you go. Take it. Come on, buddy. Come on. Maybe you want to. Here with me, marine biologist Tyler Yingling. Tyler Jingling. Like decked out in like fish and shit. Like has like Oakleys on and shit. Alright, dude, this looks really good. This hole looks really good. Oh, you asshole.
Hey, how about you have first pass? Casting him this spot.
I'm gonna try and get back in that corner a little bit. There we go.
Slide down.
And boom goes the dynamite.
Okay, I think we might have fished this hole out because we were here for a while when we fished this.
I haven't even gotten a bite. So unless they're hiding, I may not catch anything here. I don't think... Did we even catch anything out here last time? I think we might have caught like one or two. Oh, son of a bitch! One just hit it. Like, a big one. think that was a bluegill too. Sorry, Jason. Oh man, one just freaking hit it. Sons of bitches want me to like jump off a cliff. Come on, you sons of bitches, I can see you hitting it. Oh my god, dude, one just like flew by hitting it. Oh, I hope you guys could see that. Cause like, oh, there's one. Woo! No! Just came off, fucking son of a bitch. I think that's a bluegill. Alright, dude, screw it. I'm gonna just put it right here. Because that's where they were hitting it. Got one. That one's a bluegill. I don't know if it's the same one, but... Ah! Spider on me. That one's pretty cool. There's that bluegill for you guys. Oh, hold on. Let me grab him. There you go. Pretty good looking. There's freaking ants on me and all kinds of stuff. Freaking ants, dude. There we go. I think that's whole. I'm gonna try that hole one more time. See if we catch anything. Cause there's a few things like stabbing at it. And this is just the one that got the last hit. Hope you guys can see that. But they're just smashing this thing. Haven't got anything yet. Eventually we'll get hungry again and go for it. I'll keep walking. Ooh, just pop up. Hey Josie, did you get anything in this hole over here? Okay. Oh, here's where we saw that snake, yeah, the other day. Oh, fuck. There you go. Yeah. You son of a bitch. There we go. Oh my god. There we go. Jesus. Just what if I catch something first cast?
Then I'll tell you to put it in the bucket.
Maybe you care if you get something. Oh crap, I'm on this. Oh! There's something.
Ain't Goliath ain't doing his job today.
Here we go, coming up to another hole. Pretty good cast. I'm trying to get a little bit closer. Rocks. It's hard to tell right here where the rocks and the fish are. It's, bouncing off a rock kind of feels like getting a bite. You're so strong.
I was casting myself into the water.
Josey Boyd, expert power lifter. Power casting. There should be a event in the Olympics, power casting. Jesus, dude, that went by my knee, bro. That fucking got me. I don't think I'll catch anything in this hole. Yeah, dude, that'd have been so much easier. But they wouldn't have stayed alive. What's that? Oops, maybe might help if I flip my bail. I might need to replace my rubber, my artificial in a minute. Dude, we're not catching anything here.
Let me take a shot. Just put your bait on. What are you waiting on?
Alright.
Nothing there. That's like right in
There we go. We snagged. Any fishes? Dude, what if just...
We should plant that rain. Go fishing.
Yeah.
Probably smart. These bugs aren't the nicest things in the world.
No. Being eaten alive isn't awesome. It's all part of the experience, Clark.
You get the full experience you're gonna get.
you gotta almost die from wherever that fucking disease is that mosquitoes give you.
That one disease?
I can't remember that one. Like, the one bugs disease that bugs give you and you might die from it. It probably originated in Africa. You know, that one.
Everything else.
like AIDS and
What was the thing?
that. Wait, is that? No.
Something actually bit this. She's not big enough to bite the hook. These hooks are kind of big.
No, that was real smart, Mark.
Tree there, Mark. Hey.
Right there. Crossed over my line, you retard.
Mine freaking jerk.
Oh, yep, I see him. They're just little chubs.
They're little boogers. Freaking destroying my thing. Watch it move as soon as I put it in there.
Oh, fuck, dude. What the hell is this thing hooked on? How the fuck did I do that?
I was like, what the heck?
I thought it was like, is there a helicopter? And then you ducked down. I'm like, are we gonna die?
I heard something weird and I was like, oh, shoot.
I thought it was a helicopter because like helicopters fly over here all the time. Oh, there it is. There it is. They're hitting it. They're hitting it.
Dang it, dude, it's
There we go.
like
There we go. I got one.
through the thing.
Oh, it's a bluegill. It's a little bluegill.
How'd you get him to bite? These things are small. These things are microscopic.
Here, put it on that little island. Put it on this. I just don't want to be an island and just be kind of like a
Mound.
yeah, a water mound. That's what we should call islands. I've got quite a bit going on.
A mound inside the water. Alright, I'm gonna leave this one. You stay really still. And I'm gonna open this up and see if anything's damaged. Too bad. I'm gonna turn it off first.
I've got quite a bit of
Yeah, there's like water in here and such. Oh my god. Dude, I just dumped all this shit
we
out of here.
got quite a bit of fish in there, which is good.
That's
Josey's
just not
Josey's
really-
crazy father is gonna use this as bait.
Dude,
Dude, is it broken? Is your respirator broken?
it's pumping freaking water through there.
Oh my god, dude. You're not gonna be able to get that back on, even if you did get it off. Dude, these like
Is there air coming through?
they are flipping their shit, dude. Is there air coming through it? Turn it on
Yeah.
again. Yeah, that's good. Dude, these
It's
fish
like
are.
everything is wet. Should I just melt or leave it off and
Fuck
let
it, dude.
dry? I wish I could just leave it open and let it dry. Just- Hopefully it dries.
This thing still has it.
That sucks.
Loosen.
Usually if they dry out, they
Oh my god!
it was hooked in my eye at one point.
Your eyeball?
No,
It was hooked
the
in
eye
your-
on my fishing pole.
Oh!
Bugs are eating me a little bit.
Should I even just keep going? Oh my god, dude, my line just broke.
Was it the line or the knot?
The line! Like I was pulling it out.
What happened last time?
Dude, I was pulling it out of my thing to try and get those loops out, and it just broke. Now I'm gonna have to re-loop it.
Oh, you still got the thing, right?
Yeah, I still got it.
And the snips.
Yeah, let me stop the fish.
Alright.
There you
Can I
go.
stop the fish?
Ha 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 ha.
Look, you see the water right there? It's because the rocks are making it ripple up. Mind blown. Why when we sneeze, we move forward?
What?
Why do we move forward when we sneeze, but air blows that out? We should make that.
Oh my god. You're a scientist.
How do I do that next time you sneeze? Start on the angle.
It was so powerful, it blew my head back.
I almost sneezed my brains out.
Maybe we lean forward to compensate from the air, so that we don't break our necks.
Dude, we're leaning forward. Fucking latest sneeze. Guy gets whiplash from sneeze.
God, could that be on the news, Casey? There's a cable back there. What? Yeah, let's take a break right here so I can tie my damn knot. Oh, we're gonna.
Taking a break so I can fish while we're breaking. Then would it really make it a break?
Shut up.
I'm gonna fish right here. I'm scared now.
Where are you going?